Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. How to get a document from Spanish Social Security to prove tax residency in Spain and avoid double taxation with the US. Let's see the specific question of this American Spainguru community member. I am American and I have lived in Spain for 5 years. I haven't been able to figure out how to avoid double taxation before now, so I've been paying twice. Today, for the first time, my US software has a box to check that I am a tax resident of Spain and therefore do not pay the US. Hallelujah! The agreement that permits this went into effect April 1st, 1988, is the only thing I know about it. Now, let's see the answers of Spainguru community members. You should not have been paying double taxes and you can file for tax adjustments for the past few years. Find and pay a decent US accountant, and if you need one, you can also go to spainguru.us to the top menu and you will find. I suspect that you are referencing to right now is the Social Security part because you're a freelancer. If you pay Social Security in Spain, you don't have to pay the employee or employer share of the Social Security in the US. But on regular income taxes too, you shouldn't have to pay twice. There is either the FEIE or the foreign tax credit for your income taxes. The former has some rules and such, and the latter is pretty basic. You get a credit for whatever you pay towards Spanish taxes to use towards your US tax liability. Anyway, for the Social Security certificate, you need the Instituto Nacional de Seguridad Social, I believe. It's a certificate under the totalization agreement. You can find a link in the article and the link is in the video description below. So this totalization agreement verifies you are paying into Spain's Social Security and thus don't have to pay into the US Social Security. Next answer. Here's the link to Agencia Tributaria procedure to obtain a certificate that proves that you are resident in Spain. Let's check it. And there it is. Certificados tributarios, residencia fiscal, okay? Fiscal residence. And last answer. There has been a tax treaty between both countries since 1990 and amended again in 2013. There is no double taxation. You had to file taxes with both countries, usually Spain first and then the US. The US gives you full credit for what you paid in Spain. Typically, you pay a bit more in Spain though. In conclusion, members of Spainguru Group suggest that the individual should not have been paying double taxes and should seek a decent US accountant to file for tax adjustments for the past few years. The individual can also use the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, or FEIE, or the Foreign Tax Credit to avoid paying taxes twice. In terms of obtaining a document from the Spanish Social Security to prove tax residency, the certificate can be obtained through the Instituto Nacional de Seguridad Social and is called the Totalizator Agreement. Agencia Tributaria also provides a fiscal residence certificate. Additionally, a tax treaty between the US and Spain has been in effect since 1990, which allows for the individual to file taxes with both countries and receive full credit for what was paid in Spain. And if you need a US experienced accountant, you can go to spainguru.es to the top menu left and you can go down into the menu.
You can become part of a Spainguru community today. You can join our Facebook groups. The most important one is Spain Immigration and Residency Questions, Spainguru.es, with 17,000 members. And we also have a dedicated Facebook group for Spanish non-lucrative visa with nearly 2,000 members and for the Spanish digital nomad visa with 1.2 thousand members. And if you need expert professional advice, you can just go to spainguru.es and go to the top menu. There you will find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors, sworn translators, and health insurances for applications of all the Spanish visas like non-lucrative visa, golden visa, student visa, digital nomad visa, also medical certificates and travel health insurances. Last but not least, I highly recommend you to join our weekly newsletter that we send every single Monday morning with tons of information, questions and answers, featured blog posts, featured news, and also videos from our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.